Hey, this is Sean, and I just want to take some time out and to go over Royalty, the company, with you today. And what I'm going to discuss is from the affiliate side of it, being a member of Royalty, a reseller, and just the little perks that Royalty does to take care of its people. Um, I've been back with this company now for roughly 4 months. I've had good success with it, with the gems, with the uplink and the upline products that they have. And and I want to share this with you because I want you to just see some of the small things they do to put money in their affiliates' pockets. Now this here, where we at? This here is a small promotion that they're running for affiliates. It's to incentivize you to put money in your own pockets, basically, to get sales. It says October promo is actually extended. They actually ran it last week, and they've extended it to this week also. Get 3 new customers or reactivate 3 old customers by the 14th. And this bonus is on top of your regular compensation plan. You will still earn $250 for every 10 customers, plus an additional $100 for every 3 new customers that you sign up, or 3 old customers that you bring back into the company. This company is roughly 2 years old. Like any new startup, there was some hiccups, some bumps in the road at the beginning, and a lot of people didn't have the patience to stay on with it, to stay with it. And the company has since fixed those problems. It was mostly customer service issues, like most new companies have, and stepped the game up on the customer service. And you could Google Royalty, and you can see the reviews. They have excellent reviews for their products and their customer service now. Um, and a lot of people left because of those issues. Now, those those issues are fixed. The products are great, and basically they're encouraging us to reintroduce Royalty, the company, to people that have left, and and also, as always, new customers. And this here is just how they chose to incentivize us to do that this week. And I'm on it as always. Me and my team is on it, and that's what we do. And so I'm reaching out. I'm making this video to say, hey, if you were with Royalty a year ago and you had customer service issues, you had shipping issues, couldn't get in contact because they were understaffed and the company grew so big that they were kind of overwhelmed. Those issues have been fixed. Take another look at Royalty. It's worthwhile. Um, Products and services work. They will get you leads. Of course, like anything else, there's no magic wand. They have the new CRM service, the Royalty Upline, which is changing the market. It makes it a lot easier for you to manage your sales team, manage your downline. Um, you can send instant chat messages through the app, have your members download the app. You can reach them instantaneously. Um, you receive leads to your phone instantaneously through the Royalty Upline app. Um, you can share files. Let's say if you had a downline, and the big thing with this business here with network marketing is to be able to duplicate what you do for your members, your downline, to be able to duplicate what you do to have the same success that you had, which includes files, videos, forms, documents, those type of things. And a lot of people were using Dropbox for that and paying for Dropbox. No need to do that no more. With the Royalty Upline, you get that free with your membership now. And it gives you unlimited, let me say that again, unlimited space to upload videos that you and your team might need, graphics that you and your team might need to advertise, calling the blank, documents that you and your team might need to get sales and to get leads. You have unlimited space to do that. So you can eliminate that Dropbox bill. You don't need it because for as low as $25 a month. That comes included with your plan. Doesn't get any better than that. That's a game changer, because now you can use this for anything that you sell, not just Royaltie. Whatever business you are in, you can use this Upline app and manage your team. Again, if you're a customer a year ago, you had some issues, come take a look at us again. We're here for you. We're accepting you with open arms. Give you a big hug. Welcome back. Come take a look at Royaltie. If you're interested in taking another look at Royaltie, just follow the links in the description of this video. Again, this is Sean Cole Enterprises. If you like this video, want more information about Royaltie, then make sure you hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and so you get the most recent updates on what's going on. And also, become an affiliate, man. We have good pay scales. We get good bonuses. We have good perks. I'm so happy that I decided to join. And I say you will be too when you decide to take another look at Royaltie. Again, this is Sean Cole Enterprises. You have a wonderful day. Thank you for your time.